Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting a clean audio file and placing it on the timeline. Import the MP3 or WAV into your project, then drag it beneath your video track. Once done, trim the clip to remove silence at the start and end so the track aligns roughly with your video length. Make sure to leave a little extra so fades work. If formats differ, convert to a consistent sample rate to avoid pops or pitch shifts later. Now refine how the music supports your visuals. Reduce the track level so voices remain clear. Start with about -18 to -12 dB and adjust by ear. Add volume keyframes where dialogue or sound effects occur, creating quick ducks that preserve intelligibility. Also snap markers or cut points to beats if you want rhythmic hits to match visuals. Once you set these, listen through several times and tweak timing and gain until transitions feel natural and nothing masks important audio. Finish by adding smooth fades at the start and end, 1/2 second to 2 seconds, so the music enters and exits naturally. Bounce or export a short test render and listen on headphones, phone, and speakers to confirm balance. If you hear distortion or clipping, lower the master fader or insert a limiter with a -1 dB ceiling. If dialogue still hides, increase dialogue track by a few dB or deepen music ducking. If problems persist, isolate the offending section and adjust its EQ or trim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.